Want to try bullet journaling in your Ring or Discbound planner, but don't want to commit to a full year's worth of bullet journal? With this weekly bullet journal style planner insert printable download, you can dabble into the world of bullet journal or bujo and change things up as your mood changes. Keep watching to see the features of this printable download and how you can use it in your weekly planning. Weekly 2-page bullet journal style horizontal layout version, which you can grab from my shop at mariannecrest.com. Now this one in the PDF printable version, you can also get this in a vertical layout, the vertical and then the horizontal, which means that you can mix and match your weekly spreads to keep things a little bit interesting. This layout already has the hand lettering font days of the weeks that you can leave as is, or if you want to go back later when you have a little bit more time in the week, color it in using whatever markers or highlighters you have. So it has dotted grid that you can use to help you write nice and straight line, as well as line up your washi tapes, but it's not obtrusive or obvious on your page. It also has a tiny little calendar on the right hand corner that you can fill in to help you refer to previous days of the month, or if you're at the beginning of a new month, refer to future dates. Now, the benefit of using a weekly layout like this is to change things up a bit from a normal vertical weekly layout. It allows you to be able to use a bujo or bullet journal style planning spread without having to create lines or grids and do hand lettering headings yourself. To see my other planner insert printable download, visit my website mariannecrest.com, where you can find habit trackers, well-being planners, as well as fun trackers to track books you've read, movies you've watched, or even savings challenges. Next, watch this plan with me where I use the bullet journal style planner insert along with stickers to embellish my page. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and see you in the next video.